What's up everybody, this is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. Now it's no surprise we all love doing big mods to our cars. Heads, cams, superchargers, intakes, headers, exhaust, new wraps, new paint, new spoilers. But every once in a while a small inexpensive mod comes along that makes a big impact on our car. And that's why I'm installing these black bow ties on my C7 Corvette Grand Sport for my good buddy Horsepower Obsessed. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll tell you how to order a set for yourself. So let's get busy getting these bow ties on my Corvette. All right guys, this is an easy one. The only thing you're gonna need to get this job done is some isopropyl alcohol mix, a lint-free towel, and then you're gonna wanna use either a hair dryer or a heat gun to lock that decal down. Now the kit comes with two decals, one specific for the front emblem and one for the rear emblem, and they're labeled on the back, so you're gonna make sure that you put the correct one in the correct place. So let's get started with the front emblem. We are looking at the iconic C7 emblem on the front of my Grand Sport here, and we're gonna take some of this isopropyl alcohol spray and we're going to clean up that yellow bow tie and make sure we get any dirt, contaminants, any kind of wax, sealer off of that yellow bow tie and clean it up real nice, just like that. Now that's step one of the install. Step two is applying the black bow tie over top. Now notice that the bottom part of the bow tie on the front is a little bit wider than the top part. So you want to make sure you don't install this upside down or it won't fit correctly. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel the decal off of the backing here. Now you can also use a toothpick or a small pick of some sort in order to lay the vinyl down a little bit easier. I'm just going to line this up by hand and try not to touch the vinyl as much as possible and slide this thing into place. And let's see. I think we're pretty good here. Just like that. All right, then we're going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of heat. Smooth it out, and we're good to go. Look at that, you guys. And what's really cool about this, I don't know if you can see with the lighting here, but around the perimeter of the black vinyl that we just put on here is some carbon flash metallic. So it looks really, really cool. Let's move on to the back and get that one done. All right, guys, here we are at the back of the car, and we're gonna go ahead and clean the rear emblem just like we did on the front emblem. Make sure we get any grease, dirt, wax, sealant off so that the vinyl sticks a little bit better. And remember, you can use tweezers or a toothpick or some other means of helping you get the bow tie put on and lined up as perfectly as you possibly can on here. You want to try to minimize touching the adhesive side of the vinyl as much as you possibly can. And there we go. We officially have black bow ties now. Check that out, you guys. You hit it with a little heat again. And we are locked down and in place. What do you think? I told you it makes a big difference. You don't realize how much that yellow bow tie sticks out until you cover it up with the black. It looks awesome. All right, you guys, we are all finished and check it out. I never thought such a small, inexpensive mod would make such a big difference on the C7 Corvette. But those black bow ties look awesome. And if you want to order a set for yourself, you got to email my buddy Justin, horse.power.obsessed@gmail.com, and tell him Team 512 sent you. That's it for another video. Don't forget to smash that like button. And as always, if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video or any of my other videos, you can always email me at team512garage@gmail.com. And don't forget to leave me a comment. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.